Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make banana caramel custard, which is flan au banane. This is another recipe you can make if you have a ripe banana and it's almost going rotten, and that's another simple recipe you can make. Let's go with ingredients so we can get started. So to begin, I'm gonna start. I'm using 2 large ripe bananas and eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, whole milk, liquid, and in this bowl I have custard powder, vanilla flavor, and then full fat milk powder. And I'm using this little cake pan. You can use any kind of like a loaf pan, you can use like a bun cake pan, or you can just use this, because if you want to make this into like a big batches, then you can do like 4 bananas, 4 eggs, something like that, to make a bigger cake pan of this flan, the caramel custard. So right now you can preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit and get that ready to go. And then I'm gonna start mixing, and I'm going to do everything in this bowl right here. So I'm gonna start by cracking the egg in this bowl. Just beat the egg using a hand whisk. And then I'm gonna add sugar and also the vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon, eyeballing, and then mix. Add the liquid milk, mix, and I'm gonna add the milk powder and the custard powder, and also give this a mix. And this mixture is ready. Now we have 2 things to do. One is peel the bananas and then blend it into paste. Do not add water. And then we are going to make the caramel as well. So first thing I'm gonna go do, make the caramel, so we can spread it to the cake pan and let it set, and then in the meantime I will go blend the bananas. To make the caramel, I have a saucepan heating. Add the sugar. Let the sugar get brown. The sugar started to get brown. I like to take a spoon and mix everything just like that and let it get a little bit more brown. And now I just turn the heat off, and I'm not gonna add any water. And I'm just gonna spread this caramel on the cake pan that I'm going to make the flan. Spread it. And then we're just gonna let it set. And I have already peeled the bananas and cut them into slices, and now let's go and blend this. And that's it. Now our banana has been puree, and pour it into the rest of the mixture and give it a quick mix. And then the caramel has been set, and now we can go ahead and pour the flan batter. Okay guys, my oven is already preheated, and you can see I have a large tray here. I have added a little bit of water here, and then to that I'm gonna place my cake pan with the flan. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the whole thing with oil. I'm going to add 1 more layer. I want this to cover. Oops. And then I'm going to go place this in the middle rack of my oven and then let it bake. And then in about half an hour, I'm just gonna take my butter knife and insert. If it's ready, then I'm just gonna turn my oven off, remove the cake, And then if it's not ready, then you can add a little bit more water in your pan and then let it cook until it's completely done. Okay guys, my flan took exactly 1 hour to bake, and then turn the oven off. You can leave it inside for like 10 minutes with the heat. Your flan will be like so dry, and then let it cool, and then just transfer it to any plate. I do have some strawberries that maybe I'm just gonna put them just like that, just to serve. You can do whatever you like. And here you have your flan. Your banana flan, your banana caramel custard is ready, and it is so simple and easy. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.